Hello and welcome back to this lecture of AutoCAD again. And today we are here to learn a very important command, that is 3D command named as Presspull, situated here on our toolbar on the left side of AutoCAD. So without wasting time, let's understand it by an example. Go on the top and make a 2D drawing on XY plane. Now move this circle. Press F8 so that your automotive can off. Okay. Now select this all and select your trim command here and start to delete the that's looking like something better. Before proceeding, join it. Okay, so now it has become one object and we need the Presspull command. So go on 3D or you can click from here. It is very shorter because I haven't taken the dimensions, we are just trying to make you understand. Now extrude it. Select the object and give certain dimension, certain height of this object. So I'm going to give 1. Sorry for the dimension because I haven't taken any dimension, I just drawn randomly to make you understand. We'll take a very accurate dimension with a catalog of objects, actual catalog of object, when we will do an actual project and this course. So this is the object we have drawn by a 3D command and 2D drawings. Now we are going to use Presspull command. Suppose I want that this is to be lengthened. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll go and select this Presspull command and then Presspull, select object or the bounded area. So this is the bounded area which I want to select to extend it. Okay, so just I will select it and now you see it is moving up. It is moving up or down. So we can give also certain height to this area. So I want to give 10 mm more. Sorry, no, 10 mm will be very big length. So give 2 mm again. And now you see it's got length in 2 mm more. So you can use this as a modify command. If you want to drag this area, lengthen this area, so go and select and then select this bounded area and you now lengthen this. You can lengthen this very easily. You can lengthen this area